Namaste and welcome to Advanced Pathshala or Advanced Tutorial. Today I will give a glimpse about GC secondary and working standards. As you all know, gas chromatography is a widely used analytical technique that separates, identifies and quantifies compounds in a mixture based on their differential distribution between a stationary phase, which is typically a coated column, and a mobile phase, which is an inert gas. GC standards or GC reference materials are of paramount importance in analytical chemistry because they are the foundation of accurate and reliable gas chromatography analysis. These standards, they play a critical role in instrument calibration, method validation, traceability, method optimization, quality control, data integrity and so on. If I take the first three critical roles they play, the first one is instrument calibration. GC standards are used to calibrate GC instruments because they ensure that the equipment provides accurate and reliable results, and calibration is critical for quantifying the concentration of compounds in an unknown sample. Second, when developing or validating a GC method, these standards are used to demonstrate method's accuracy, precision and sensitivity because these standards provide a known baseline or concentration or purity against which the method is evaluated. Coming to the third, traceability, these standards are often traceable to national or international standards, providing a clear and documented chain of measurement traceability, and this traceability is crucial for establishing the accuracy and reliability of analytical data, especially when dealing with regulatory compliance or legal requirements. There are three categories of GC standards. One is primary GC standard, secondary GC standard and GC working standards. Primary GC standards are certified reference materials such as USP, BP, IP and EP, etc. They are considered as the gold standards for calibrations and are used as reference points for calibration. Each primary standard provides certified values of concentration or purity of specific compounds in the standard, which are determined through rigorous analytical testing. Because of their specialized nature and need for traceability, these standards have limited availability. They are available in smaller pack sizes and of course they are expensive. Secondary GC standards, on the other hand, they are calibrated using primary GC standards. They also provide certified values of concentration or purity which are determined based on their calibration against primary GC standards. They are more cost effective and readily available. They offer a good balance between accuracy and cost, making them suitable for routine lab use. Third is the GC working standards, sometimes referred to as GC working reference materials. They may not be having same level of traceability as that of primary or secondary standards, but they are calibrated using traceable methods to ensure their accuracy. They are most cost effective, available in customized pack sizes and readily accessible compared to primary and secondary GC standards. Advent is among the first few to bring this niche range of products into Indian market. Since its launch in our range in February 2018, we have been able to service more than 1000 GC secondary and working standards, including more than 100 secondary standards traceable to USP. We provide all characterization data like mass, NMR, IR. We also provide GC reports along with certificate of analysis that mentions the potency of the product. I would request you to contact our sales colleagues and channel partners for your requirements. Kindly visit our website to know more about this niche range of products and more than 3000 other fine and specialty chemicals, the number of which is increasing day by day. Until next time, thank you for your kind attention.